Now, I wouldn't build this as your first one, but if you do have the pirate ship, I would do this one. It's easier than the pirate ship. Now, you start with the base here, and you just put these two rectangular brown ones on. Then you put the brown bar on, and then the white ones, and then just wrap the flex steel white ones around to the other side. And that's basically it. And you do the same thing with this back part. You put the brown rectangular one and the white ones, and just put this on here. I've done that to keep it to scale. Now, same with the wing. I've added this white bar to it, and I've added extra bars on the beige one, which is a flex steel. So the wheels came off the rescue squad, and I had to trim them to get them in here. And then on this wheel here, I've used a little bracket. I just bent it. Watch when you. I've added these two brackets here to make them stronger, and just a very simple assembly. And that's about it. So it took me about 2 days to design and put together. So I'll leave you with some pictures if you want to put it together. I hope you enjoy my video. Oh, for this top bracket, leave the screw a little bit longer and then put an L bracket. That's the easiest way to do it.